Hello my lovely kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths class 7 by Galaxy publication. So now let's start chapter 1, integers. We have learnt about addition and subtraction of integers. In this class we shall learn the multiplication, the division and the properties of integers. But before that, let us revise. Integers are directed numbers such as if going 20 meter north is denoted by plus 20 meter, then going 20 meters south is denoted by minus 20 meter. Also minus 6 degrees Celsius shows 6 degrees below freezing point and plus 6 degrees Celsius shows 6 degrees above freezing point. The collection of whole numbers together with the numbers minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, etc. These are called the collection of integers. So here minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, these are negative integers, and 1, 2, 3, these are positive integers. The number 0 is neither negative nor positive. Now we can represent integers on a number line. You know very well the numbers minus 5, minus 3, 0, 2 and 5 are represented on the number line at these points A, B, C, D and E respectively. You can see this is a number line, this is 0, this right side we have positive integers and left side we have negative integers. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 etc. See A point is showing minus 5 and B minus 3, C 1, D 2 and E 5, right? Now the next is absolute or modulus value. The absolute value of an integer is its numerical value, that is ignore sign. The absolute value of an integer A is denoted by this and is given by, so here absolute value of A is A if A is greater than equal to 0 and it is minus A if A is less than 0. Ordering of integer. An integer A is greater than integer B if A lies to the right of B on the number line. For example, like this, 2 is greater than minus 2, minus 2 is greater than minus 4, 1 is greater than minus 5, etc. Similarly, if an integer lies on the left of the other integer, then the first integer is less than the second integer. For example, like here 2 is less than 5, minus 3 is less than 2, etc. Now one point note, A part, there is no greatest or smallest integer. 1 is the smallest positive integer and minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. Okay, now B point, 0 is greater than every negative integer and less than every positive integer, we know very well. The next point, every negative integer is less than every positive integer, we know this also. The next one, every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. And the next point, given any two distinct integers A and B, either A is greater than B or A is less than B. The last point, given any two integers A and B, if A is greater than B, then minus A is less than minus B. See, we know very well like 3 is greater than 2. But if we take minus 3 and minus 2, then this inequality sign changes. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Next, now example 1, arrange the given integers in ascending order, increasing order, smallest to greatest. Minus 7, 2, minus 6, 8, minus 2 and 5. See here we have to find the smallest one. So minus 7 is the smallest one and 8 is the greatest one. So minus 7, then minus 6, then minus 2, then 2, 5 and 8. Okay. Now addition of integers, case 1. When the integers are of like signs, means if both are positive or both are negative. So rule, to add two integers a and b of like signs, we add their absolute value and then put the common sign before them. अगर दोनों positive हैं तो आंसर positive होगा, अगर दोनों negative हैं तो आंसर would be negative. See example 2, add a part plus 313 and plus 125. You can see both are positive. दोनों को हम ऐड कर देंगे, दोनों की एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू को ऐड कर देंगे एंड द आंसर इज पॉजिटिव ओनली. सो आंसर इज 438. नाउ सी बी पार्ट -45 एंड -39. बोथ आर नेगेटिव. हम दोनों को ऐड करेंगे एंड द आंसर इज माइनस ओनली. सो 45 एंड 39, 84 addition. So answer is -84. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now case 2, when the integers are of unlike signs, if one is positive and the other is negative, then what to do? हमें उन दोनों की absolute value का difference लेना है. See here, to add two integers a and b of unlike signs, we find the difference of their absolute values and then put the sign of the bigger absolute value before the difference. और साइन किसका आएगा? जो नंबर बड़ा होगा. सी एग्जाम्पल 3, एड a part -43 and +25. So its absolute value is 43, its absolute value is 25. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस ले लेंगे, that is 18. But 43 is bigger than 25, so answer is -18. Right? Now the next b part +18 and -6. So its absolute value 18 and its absolute value 6. दोनों का difference that is 12, and we can see bigger one is positive. Okay, 18 is bigger than 6, so answer is +12. Okay, we can write +18 plus -6, that is equal to +12. Very easy. Now the next we are talking about subtraction of integers. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. So to subtract an integer a from another integer b, we add the additive inverse or negative of a to b. That is b minus a, we can write b plus minus a. Additive inverse of a, उसको हम add कर देंगे b में. Okay, और how we can write b minus a, that is b plus a. See the example, it would be clear to you. Example 4, subtract a part -56 from -25. So what to do? आप कैसे लिखेंगे? You can write like this. Here -25 में से -56 को माइनस करना है. So we know very well this minus हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, minus becomes plus. Now one is negative, one is positive, दोनों का difference ले लेंगे, that is 31 and 56 का sign plus बन गया है, तो answer is +31. Right? Now b part 27 from -51. So -51 -27. Okay, we can write like this, -51 -27, both are negative, तो इन दोनों को add कर देंगे. So here 78, both are negative, so answer is -78. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. The next we are talking about properties of addition and subtraction of integers. The first one is closure property. If a and b are any two integers, then their addition and subtraction, a plus b and a minus b, both are also integers. Okay, see 22 and -25, इन दोनों को हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, we are getting -3, and we know -3 is again an integer. Similarly -9 -8 को ऐड करेंगे, -17. -17 is again an integer. So we say that integers are closed under addition. ऐसे हम subtraction करेंगे, 17 minus 19, that is -2, and you know -2 is an integer. Now -11 minus -25, that is +14, and this is also an integer. So we say that integers are closed under subtraction. The next is commutative property. Means if a and b are any two integers, then a plus b equals to b plus a, but a minus b is not equal to b minus a. एडिशन में हम ऑर्डर चेंज कर सकते हैं, बट सब्ट्रैक्शन में we are not able to change the order. See here, minus 7 plus minus 12, this is minus 19, और हम इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, minus 12 plus minus 7, this is also minus 19. That's why a plus b equals to b plus a. So addition is commutative for integers. लेकिन अगर हम subtraction करें, see minus 5 minus minus 19, so it would be minus 5 plus 19 means 14. और अगर हम करें minus 19 minus minus 5, it would be minus 14. So result is not same. That's why a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So subtraction is not commutative for integers. Now the next is associative property. If a, b and c are any three integers, then a plus b plus c equals to a plus b plus c. यानी अगर थ्री इंटीजर्स हैं तो उनको हम जैसे मर्जी ऐड करें, रिजल्ट वुड बी सेम. एंड a माइनस बी माइनस सी, और अगर उनको हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे then the result would not be same. a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus bracket b minus c. So see how we know that minus 3 minus 9 and 17, हमने three integers लिए, we are adding these first two and then last add it, or what we can do, we can add last two and then add the first one. So what we are getting the result, जब हम इन दोनों को ऐड कर रहे हैं तो minus 12 plus 17 that is 5. ओके, और अगर हम लास्ट के 2 को ऐड करेंगे we are getting 8 and plus minus 3 that is also 5. So result is same. Okay, so that's why addition is associative for integers. Now we are checking for subtraction. So here minus 3 minus minus 9 bracket closed minus 17. So what we are getting, minus 3 plus 9 minus 17 means 6 minus 17 means minus 11. So if we are taking last two integers, so minus 3 minus bracket minus 9 minus 17 bracket closed, इन दोनों को solve करेंगे we are getting minus 26. So minus 3 minus minus 26 means minus 3 plus 26 that is 23. So answer is not same. That's why subtraction is not associative for integers, right? Now the next we are talking about additive identity. When 0 is added to any integer or an integer is added to 0, the sum is the integer itself. Like a plus 0 or 0 plus a equals to a. 7 plus 0, 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. Similarly, minus 9 plus 0 or 0 plus minus 9 that is minus 9 only. So that's why 0 is the additive identity, means 0 को add करने पे जो integer की identity है that remains same. There is no change. That's why 0 is the additive identity. The next is additive inverse. For every integer there exists its additive inverse, negative, such that their sum is 0. Like a है, its negative is minus a, इन दोनों का sum लेंगे that is 0. So minus a plus a that is 0. So 8 plus minus 8 0, minus 8 plus 8 that is 0. Okay. Similarly, minus 22 plus 22 or 22 plus minus 22 that is 0, right? Now exercise 1, see here question number 1, represent the following integers on the number line. You can try on your own. Like question number 2, find the value of, absolute value find करना है. See B part, here absolute value of minus 50, this is 50. Plus absolute value of minus 6, this is 6. So 50 plus 6, this is 56. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now see the third question, arrange in descending order. You can arrange, and then the fourth, arrange the following in ascending order. You can try on your own. Now the fifth question, add the following, like B part, minus 55 plus minus 15. अब हम टू नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स को ऐड कर रहे हैं तो हम क्या करेंगे, इनकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू को ऐड कर दें, दैट इज 70 because both are negative, so answer is minus 70. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. Now question number 7, subtract the following, like B part minus 127 minus 143. So minus 127 minus 143, so both are negative, तो इन दोनों को हम ऐड कर देंगे. So we are getting 270 because both are negative, so answer is minus 270. Right? I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, you can try 8th question, use greater than or less than to make each of the following a true statement. So you can try this one. Now the next, see multiplication of integers. Case 1, when the integers are of unlike sign, यानी एक पॉजिटिव है और एक नेगेटिव है, then the result would be negative. See, a into minus b, we will get minus a into b, okay, or if minus a into b, we will get minus a into b. So a and b are positive integer and answer would be minus. Okay, now case 2, when the integers are of like signs, means same sign. A part, when the integer have positive sign, तो उन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, आंसर वुड बी पॉजिटिव, लाइक 4 into 8, 8 into 4, that is 32. So product is positive. Okay, now B part, when the integers have negative signs, like if a and b are two negative integers, then minus a into minus b, it becomes a into b. Okay, plus, right? Now example 5, multiply the following, like a part minus 9 into minus 8, both are negative, answer would be positive, 9 8s are 72. Okay, b part 6 into minus 9, एक प्लस है एक माइनस है, तो आंसर would be minus, 6 9s are 54, minus 54. Now C part, minus 11 into plus 8, one is negative, one is positive, answer is negative, answer is minus 88. Now see example 6, evaluate the following, like A part, bracket minus 8 plus 6 into minus 9. तो पहले हम ब्रैकेट को सिंप्लीफाई कर दें, माइनस 8 प्लस 6 इज माइनस 2 इंटू माइनस 9. अब दोनों नेगेटिव हैं तो आंसर इज पॉजिटिव, 2 9s are 18. ओके, नाउ बी पार्ट, माइनस 7 इंटू ब्रैकेट प्लस 5 into minus 6. Now what we are doing, हम multiply कर रहे हैं 3 integers को. So 7 5s are 35 into 6, that is 210. Now sign क्या आएगा, this is minus, plus minus बन जाएगा, फिर minus है, answer is plus. So answer is plus 210. Okay, now the next exercise 2, question number 1, multiply the following, like E part minus 25 into 13, इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे, but the answer is negative. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now the next is question number 2, evaluate the following, like B part, bracket 18 minus 15 into 17. So this is 3 into 17. So answer is 51. Okay, now here like D part, 8 into minus 5 into minus 7, 3 integers हैं, out of these 3 2 are negative, तो माइनस माइनस क्या बन जाएगा, प्लस. सो आंसर इज पॉजिटिव. सो 8 5s are 40 into 7, 280. Right? So similarly you can try remaining parts. Now third question, if a asterisk b equals to a plus b minus a into b, then find a part, 8 asterisk 6, यानी a is 8 and b is 6. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 8 plus 6 minus 8 into 6. Okay, according to rule हमें पहले मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. So 8 plus 6 minus 48. So 8 plus 6 14 minus 48. Now 1 is positive, 1 is negative, तो minus करेंगे. So this is minus 34 because 48 is greater. So I hope this is clear to you. ऐसे आप remaining parts try कर सकते हैं, right? Now see fourth question, like B part, multiply minus 72 by minus 1. So what will you get? Plus 72. Is the product additive inverse of minus 72? So yes, because 72 is the additive inverse of minus 72. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Okay, now here like sixth question, filling the blanks with the correct integer, like B part minus 1 into minus 67. So what will you get? You will get plus 67. Okay, now D part dash into minus 74 equal to minus 74. माइनस 74 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि आंसर माइनस 74 ही आए. सो इट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. Okay, similarly you can try seventh question. Now come to next, we are talking about division of integers. We have learned earlier that division is inverse of multiplication, and each multiplication fact has two division facts. If a and b are two integers, then minus a divided by b मीन्स अगर हम एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर को पॉजिटिव इंटीजर से डिवाइड करते हैं देन आंसर इज नेगेटिव ओनली. ओके, और अगर हम एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को नेगेटिव इंटीजर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो आंसर इज नेगेटिव ओनली. ओके, और अगर हम दोनों नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स को डिवाइड करते हैं देन आंसर इज पॉजिटिव ओनली. इट मीन्स इफ वी आर डिवाइडिंग positive integer by positive integer, answer is plus only. If we are dividing negative by negative integer, answer is plus only. यानी अगर हम सेम साइंस को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो आंसर आएगा पॉजिटिव, और अगर हम डिफरेंट साइन को डिवाइड करते हैं तो आंसर इज नेगेटिव, राइट? Okay, so see here like seventh example, divide a part 84 by minus 4. तो आप 84 को सिंपली 4 से डिवाइड कर दो, you will get 21, but you see the sign, this is plus, this is minus, एक पॉजिटिव है एक नेगेटिव है, so answer is negative minus 21. Now B part minus 210 by minus 15, both are negative, तो answer is positive. 210 को हम 15 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, दैट इज प्लस 14. नाउ सी पार्ट माइनस 390 डिवाइड बाय 13, एक नेगेटिव है एक पॉजिटिव है, तो आंसर इज नेगेटिव, दैट इज माइनस 30. नाउ डी पार्ट 180 बाय माइनस 12, तो हम एक पॉजिटिव को नेगेटिव से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो आंसर वुड बी नेगेटिव minus 15. Okay, now exercise 3 based on such type of example. See question number 1, divide and find the question. Now B part minus 1728 divide by 12, हम एक नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, so answer is negative only. So cut it by 12, what will you get? You will get minus 144, right? Now similarly question number 2, write the correct integer in the blanks. Okay, see here like B part dash divided by minus 3 equals to 8. हम किस नंबर को minus 3 से डिवाइड करें so that answer is 8. तो आप क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, that is minus 24. Okay, now CE part minus 28 divided by dash number equals to minus 4. minus 28 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड करें so that we are getting minus 4, यानी minus 28 को minus 4 से डिवाइड कर दें, answer is 7. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 3, write T for true and F for false. Like A part 98 divided by minus 1 is 98, no, this is minus 98. C part 0 divided by minus 9 is 0, yes, this is true. Okay, E part minus 46 divided by minus 1, that is 46, yes, this is also true. Okay, so similarly you can try remaining parts. The next we are talking about properties of multiplication. Property 1. If a and b are any two integers, then a into b is also an integer, means closure property. See, minus 4 into minus 2 we are getting 8, which is again an integer. Minus 25 into 6 minus 150, ये भी integer है. So closure property of multiplication of integers. This is the closure property, right? Property 2. If a and b are any two integers, then a into b equal to b into a, means commutative property. यानी हम मल्टीप्लाई जैसे मर्जी करें इंटीजर्स को, आंसर वुड बी सेम. सी ए पार्ट 9 इंटू माइनस 4 माइनस 36 एंड माइनस 4 इंटू 9 माइनस 36. बी पार्ट माइनस 11 इंटू 9 माइनस 99 एंड 9 इंटू माइनस 11 minus 99. C part minus 5 into minus 6 plus 30 and minus 6 into minus 5 is also 30. So that's why this is called commutative property of multiplication of integers. Now property 3, if a, b and c are any three integers, then a into b into c equals to a into ब्रैकेट b इंटू सी. अगर हम कोई थ्री इंटीजर्स लेते हैं तो उनको हम जैसे मर्जी मल्टीप्लाई करें, आंसर वुड बी सेम. दिस इज द एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंटीजर. सी एग्जाम्पल, माइनस 8 इंटू माइनस 10 इंटू 9. हमने क्या किया, पहले लास्ट टू के मल्टीप्लाई किया. सो माइनस 8 इंटू माइनस 90 दैट इज 720. और व्हाट वी कैन डू, फर्स्ट टू को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. Minus 8 into minus 10 into 9 means 80 into 9, that is 720. So this is the associative property. Now property 4, if a is any integer then a into 1 equals to 1 into a equals to a. यानी अगर हम किसी इंटीजर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर वुड बी सेम. सी माइनस 9 into 1 is minus 9. B part minus 11 into 1 is minus 11. C part 1 into minus 8, that is minus 8. So 1 is the identity element of multiplication for integers. Now property 5, if a is any integer then a into 0 equals to 0 into a equal to 0. यानी अगर हम किसी इंटीजर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, आंसर वुड बी 0. लाइक a पार्ट माइनस 8 इंटू 0 इक्वल टू 0. B part 17 into 0 equals to 0. Now property 6, if a is any integer then a into minus 1 and minus 1 into a, that is minus a. C a part 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. B part minus 8 into minus 1 plus 8 and C part minus 1 into minus 7, that is 7, and D part minus 1 into 16, that is minus 16. So one point, we know that a and minus a are additive inverse of each other. So thus to find the additive inverse of any integer, just multiply the integer by minus 1. Okay. Now property 7, if a, b and c are any three integers, then a into bracket b plus c equals to a into b plus a into c. This is the distributive property of multiplication of integers over addition. See, we have one example like minus 5 into bracket 6 plus minus 3. So how we can calculate it? We can do in two ways. The one way, हम पहले इस ब्रैकेट को सिंप्लीफाई कर दें. 6 plus minus 3 is plus 3. So minus 5 into plus 3 is minus 15. Or how we can write minus 5 into 6 plus minus 5 into minus 3. So minus 30 plus 15, answer is minus 15. So this is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now one point, we can prove that multiplication of integers is distributive over subtraction also. Now the next properties of division. Property 1, we have seen earlier that if any two integers are added, subtracted or multiplied, result is always an integer. But now just check in case of division. So now let us see, if an integer is divided by a non-zero integer, will the quotient be always an integer? See how a part minus 12 divided by 4, that is minus 3, okay. B part minus 20 divided by minus 4, we are getting 5. But if we are dividing like minus 5 by 3, is that an integer? No. See, B part 4 divided by minus 18, is that an integer? No. So we notice that when an integer is divided by another integer, it is not always possible that the quotient is an integer. वो integer आ भी सकता है और नहीं भी आ सकता, okay? So that's why it is not closed under division. Set of integers is not closed under division, right? Now property 2, if a and a is any non-zero integer, then a divided by a is 1 and a divided by 1 is a. You know, 18 divided by 18 we will get 1 only. Minus 17 divided by minus 17 we will get 1 only. 9 divided by 1, that is 9. Minus 26 divided by 1, that is minus 26. Now property 3, if a and a is any non-zero integer and a divided by minus a, that is minus 1, or we can say minus a divided by a, that is minus 1, and a divided by minus 1, that is minus a. See here, a part 27 divided by minus 27, you will get minus 1. B part minus 47 divided by 47, you will get minus 1. C part 8 divided by minus 1, you will get minus 8. And D part minus 26 divided by minus 1, you will get plus 26. Now property 4, if a and a is any non-zero integer, then 0 divided by a is 0 only. See, a part divide 0 by 11, you will get 0, and divide 0 by minus 23, you will get 0 only. So if 0 is divided by any non-zero integer, the result is always 0. So now example 8, simplify minus 8 into minus 11 plus minus 71 into minus 8. So see here, we can take minus 8 common. minus 8 कॉमन लिया, ब्रैकेट में वी आर गेटिंग माइनस 11 प्लस माइनस 71. दिस इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, अब हम इन दोनों को सिंप्लीफाई कर देंगे. माइनस 11 एंड माइनस 71 दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, दैट इज माइनस 82. सो माइनस 8 इंटू माइनस 82, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, दोनों नेगेटिव हैं, तो आंसर इज पॉजिटिव only. Now example 9, find the integers whose product is minus 1. So 1 and minus 1, इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे, you will get minus 1. Now B part minus 22. तो minus 22 हमारे पास, अगर हम minus 1 और 22 लें, then the product is minus 22. और अगर हम 1 और minus 22 लें, प्रोडक्ट इज माइनस 22. और अगर हम 2 और माइनस 11 लें, दैट इज ऑल्सो माइनस 22. और अगर हम 11 और माइनस 2 लेंगे, दैट इज ऑल्सो minus 22. Okay, so now the next is C part here, 37. So 37, 1 and 37, 1 into 37 is 37 and minus 1 and minus 37, दोनों को नेगेटिव ले लेंगे, then the answer is plus 37. Right, now G part here 0. So 0 multiply by any integer, we will get the result 0. Okay, now example 10, which of the following statements is true or false? Give an example in support of a false statement. Like A part, the collection of integers is commutative under division. No, this is false. Why? See, 6 divided by minus 3, that is minus 2. और अगर हम minus 3 को 6 से divide करेंगे, that is not minus 2. This is not an integer. So that's why this statement is false. B part, the collection of integers is associative under multiplication. Yes, this is true. C part, the distributive property of division over addition holds good in integers? No. See why? See 5 plus minus 3 divided by 2, that is 2 divided by 2, okay, that is 1. और अगर हम ऐसे करें 5 divided by 2 plus minus 3 divided by 2, result is not equal to 1. That is not an integer. That's why distributive property of division over addition is not true. Okay. Now the next is D part, division is associative in integers? No, false. Why? See 8 divided by 4 divided by minus 2. What will you get? 8 divided by minus 2, that is minus 4. Now what to do? 8 divided by 4 divided by minus 2. You will get 2 divided by minus 2, that is minus 1. So result is not same. Okay. So I hope these are clear to you. So exercise 4. Now question 1. Which of the following statements are true or false? Like here C part, minus 32 into 1, that is equal to 32. No, this is false because it should be minus 32. Okay. Now here E part, minus 14 into minus 12 equals to minus 12 into minus 14. Yes, this is true. Commutative 4 multiplication. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now second question, find the product of the following. Like here B part, 8 into minus 10 into 27. So 8 और 27 को हम multiply कर दें. So what will you get? 216 and minus 10 है तो minus 2160. Okay. Now CF part, here minus 212 into minus 36 plus minus 212 into minus 64. So we can take minus 212 common and then minus 36 plus minus 64 in the bracket. This is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So minus 212 and bracket solve करेंगे, minus 36 minus 64 दोनों नेगेटिव हैं, दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. So that is minus 100. Now multiply, minus minus becomes plus. So 21200. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 3. Simplify the following. Like D part, 27 into minus 8 plus 27 into minus 10. So take 27 common, bracket में minus 8 plus minus 10. So here 27 into minus 18. इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे and the answer is minus only. Okay. So I hope these are clear to you. Now the fourth question, filling the blanks, like B part, 634 divided by minus 1, that is minus 634. E part, 4275 divided by minus 4275. So answer is minus 1. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 5. State whether the following are true or false. Like B part, minus 103 divided by 1, that is 103. No, this is minus 103. Okay. Now E part, 0 divided by minus 48 is minus 48. No, that is 0 only. Okay. Similarly, you can try 6th question. Now come to next, simplification of brackets. We have been using brackets earlier and have noticed that the use of brackets changes the meaning though we use the same numbers. For example, see here, bracket 35 minus 15 divided by 5. So what will you get? 20 divided by 5, that is 4. और अगर हम ब्रैकेट ऐसे लगा दें 35 माइनस ब्रैकेट 15 divided by 5, then it becomes 35 minus 3, that is 32. So these two are not equal. Okay. So following are different kinds of brackets. A part, this is the square bracket, generally known as rectangular or big brackets. Now the second one, curly bracket. Okay, then C, this is known as round or small brackets, and the D one, this generally known as line or bar brackets or vinculum. Okay, the last type of bracket is rarely used these days. Now one point is given over here. Mathematical statements are simplified in order of the letters of the word board mass. The letters of the word board mass stands for B means bracket, O means of, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So the operations of addition and subtraction are done simultaneously. Now study the following examples. Example 11, simplify 4 minus bracket 6 into 4 minus 11 into 2. So first of all, simplify the brackets. So here 6 into 4, 24 minus 22. So 4 minus 2, answer is 2. Okay. Now example 12. Simplify 7 minus curly bracket 6 minus 12 divided by small bracket 5 plus 9 into 2 minus 19, small bracket closed, then curly bracket closed. So what to do? First we have to simplify small bracket, और small bracket में हमारे पास प्लस है, मल्टीप्लाई है, माइनस है, तो पहले हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 9 2 ज़ा 18, सो 5 प्लस 18 माइनस 19. अब इन तीनों नंबर्स को हम सिंप्लीफाई कर देंगे. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग 23 minus 19, that is 4. So rest number as it is. So 7 minus curly bracket 6 minus 12 divided by 4. Okay, अब हम curly bracket solve करेंगे. So 12 divided by 4, that is 3 only. So 6 minus 3 within the curly bracket. Now 7 minus 3, answer is 4. Okay, now come to next example 13. Simplify 14 minus square bracket 3 plus curly bracket 8 divided by small bracket 5 minus 3 of 2 plus 3, small bracket closed, curly bracket closed, and then square bracket. So according to rule, first of all solve small bracket. अब small bracket के अंदर है 5 minus 3 of 2 plus 3. So 3 of 2 means इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे. So 5 minus 6 plus 3. Okay, अब simplify 5 plus 3 8 minus 6, that is 2. So remove small bracket. What we are getting 14 minus square bracket 3 plus curly bracket 8 divided by 2, curly bracket closed, then square bracket closed. Okay, so now here 14 minus 3 plus 4. So 14 minus 7, answer is 7. Okay, now example 14, simplify 5 minus square bracket 3 minus curly bracket 2 minus small bracket 2 into minus 3 plus 1, small bracket closed, plus bracket 3 minus 5, then curly bracket and then square bracket. So according to rule, first we have to solve this bracket. So what we are getting 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 1. And 3 minus 5, this is minus 2. Okay, अब हम क्या करेंगे? We are writing 5 minus square bracket 3 minus curly bracket 2 minus, this is minus 5, and this becomes minus 2. Okay, now we have to simplify curly bracket. So what we have here, minus sign is before this bracket, so minus minus, this becomes plus 5. So within the curly bracket 2 plus 5 minus 2. अब हम curly bracket solve करेंगे. We are getting 5 only. So here 5 minus 3 minus 5. So now solve this square bracket. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So 5 minus bracket minus 2. This becomes 5 plus 2. Answer is 7. Right? Now the next is example 15. Evaluate the following, like A part 26 divided by curly bracket, then small bracket minus 13 divided by 1, then curly bracket closed. So solve this one. Minus 13 divided by 1 is minus 13 only. So 26 divided by minus 13. तो 26 को हम क्या कर रहे हैं? नेगेटिव नंबर से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. सो आंसर इज नेगेटिव ओनली. So So 26 divided by 13, that is 2. So answer is minus 2. Now B part here, curly bracket minus 57 divided by 3 divided by 19. So minus 57 को 3 से divide करेंगे, we will get minus 19. Here divided by 19. So this is minus 1. Now C part here, curly bracket minus 20 plus 5 divided by now curly bracket minus 5 plus 2. So what will you get over here? Minus 15 divided by minus 3. Now both are negative. So answer is positive, that is plus 5, right? So I hope these are clear to you. Now exercise 5, based on such type of examples like C, simplify the following. Like second question, 25 minus 12 divided by 6 minus 3 into 8. So according to board mass, there is no bracket. So first solve division. So 25 minus 2 minus 3 into 8. So 25 minus 2 minus 24. So 25 minus 26, answer is minus 1, right? Now see here, like 8th question, 2 minus square bracket 6 minus curly bracket 2 plus 5 bracket 6 minus 3, then curly bracket and then square bracket. So simplify this bracket, 6 minus 3. So what will you get? You will get 3 only. So 2 plus 5 into 3. So now simplify curly bracket, 2 minus square bracket 6 minus curly bracket 2 plus 15. Okay, so 2 plus 15 is 17. So 2 minus square bracket 6 minus 17. Remove curly bracket. Now 6 minus 17 is what? That is minus 11. Now bracket ke bahar we have negative sign, so minus minus become plus. So 2 plus 11, answer is 13. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now this is the time of mental maths. Question number 1. Filling the blanks, like C part, the integer dash is neither positive nor negative. We know integer 0. Okay. Now here E part, when we add an integer to its additive inverse, अगर हम कोई इंटीजर उसके एडिटिव इनवर्स में मीन्स उसके नेगेटिव में ऐड करते हैं, देन वी गेट 0 only. Okay, so I hope these are clear to you. You can try remaining parts. Now B part, on adding an integer to its additive inverse, we get additive identity. Yes, 0, we will get 0 and 0 is an additive identity. Okay, ऐसे आप बाकी statements try कर सकते हैं. Now this is the time of math lab activity. We can verify the rules of multiplication of two integers as follow. Like A part, when the integers have unlike signs, means different signs. So we can try this one also. And the B part, when the integers have like signs, means same signs. So we can try this one also. I hope this is clear to you. Very easy and very interesting. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.